Welcome to our Tech Deep Dive. Today, we're exploring the world of Ethernet cables, specifically the differences between Cat5, Cat6, Cat7, and Cat8 cables. Whether you're setting up a home network or managing a data center, understanding these cables is key. Let's get started.
Ethernet cables are the backbone of wired networks, connecting devices like computers, routers, and switches to transmit data. Over the years, these cables have evolved to support faster speeds and higher bandwidth. Let's take a closer look at each category. First up, Cat5, the pioneer of modern Ethernet cables. Introduced in the 1990s, Cat5 cables were designed for fast Ethernet, supporting speeds up to 100 megabits per second. They have a bandwidth of 100 megahertz and are suitable for basic home networks and older devices. However, Cat5 is largely outdated now, replaced by more advanced versions. Next, we have Cat5e, the enhanced version of Cat5. The E stands for enhanced, and it reduces crosstalk, interference between wires. Cat5e supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and has a bandwidth of 100 megahertz. It's still widely used in home networks and small offices due to its affordability and reliability. Now, let's talk about Cat6. Introduced in the 2000s, Cat6 cables support speeds up to 10 gigabits per second over shorter distances, up to 55 meters. They have a bandwidth of 250 megahertz, making them ideal for modern networks with higher data demands. Cat6 cables also feature better shielding to reduce interference. Building on Cat6, we have Cat6a, the augmented version. Cat6a supports 10 gigabits per second speeds over longer distances, up to 100 meters. It has a bandwidth of 500 megahertz and improved shielding, making it perfect for industrial environments and data centers. Moving on to Cat7, a high-performance cable designed for future-proofing networks. Cat7 supports speeds up to 10 gigabits per second and has a bandwidth of 600 megahertz. It features shielded twisted pairs, SOFTP, to minimize interference and crosstalk. Cat7 is ideal for environments with high electromagnetic interference, like server rooms. Finally, we have Cat8, the latest and greatest in Ethernet technology. Cat8 supports blazing fast speeds up to 25 gigabits per second or even 40 gigabits per second over short distances, up to 30 meters. It has a bandwidth of 2000 megahertz and is designed for data centers and high-performance computing. Cat8 cables are fully shielded, making them resistant to interference and crosstalk. Let's summarize the key differences. Cat5, Cat5e, best for basic home networks and older devices. Cat6 or Cat6a, ideal for modern homes, offices, and small data centers. Cat7, great for environments with high interference and future-proofing. Cat8, designed for high-speed data centers and enterprise networks. Oh, do you choose the right cable? For home use, Cat5e or Cat6 is usually sufficient. For gaming or streaming, go with Cat6 or Cat6a. For data centers or high-performance networks, Cat7 or Cat8 is the way to go. Whether you're using Cat5 for a simple setup or Cat8 for a high-speed data center, understanding these cables helps you build a faster, more reliable network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.